kick me, please. Stop! How do you say that C word? What?
Correct.
Czechoslovakia. Welcome to Scout TV.
Here's a video we'd like to share to you today of a scouting group in Czechoslovakia when their camp flooded, but that didn't stop them from having fun. Let's take a look. I did it.
Večer jen skejtrou u ohně, to je přesně něco pro mě. Ale je to ještě větší sranda, když se o brok sejde celá banda lidí, co jsou na tom podobně. Náš život má jen jeden směr, a to spousta přátel, zábavy a her. Jsme lidi, co naplno do všeho jdou, vždy v souladu s přírodou. Žijem čestně, hrajem vždycky fér. Díky nechci drogu ani chlast, radši knížku, dobrý skutek nebo třídit plast. Život je boží, když jsi scout. Scout nikdy není out. Už nemusíš sedět v koutě, všichni zvou tě na každou party, na každý round. Jsme spolek bláznů různý povahy, co zbožňujou zdolávat nástrahy. A máme ty nejhezčí holky, co rozeznají káně od poštolky a mají bobříky odvahy. S šátkem kolem krku jdem, hrdě každým novým dnem. Cestou poznáváme luční kvítka, prostě mluvit uslyšíš nás jenom zřídka. Snažíme se jít příkladem. Díky nechci drogu ani chlast, radši knížku, dobrý skutek nebo třídit plast. A kdo nějakou z našich zásad poruší, dá si dobrovolně hned 5 dřepů, ať se poučí. Život je boží, když jsi scout. Scout nikdy není out. Už nemusíš sedět v koutě, všichni zvou tě na každou party, na každý round. Život je boží, když jsi scout. Scout nikdy není out. Už nemusíš sedět v koutě, všichni zvou tě na každou party, na každý round.
Teďka jsme bouško! A víš, kdo za to může?
Makes me wish it was raining here.
It is raining.
Oh. Didn't literally go jump in a puddle or something?
Next we have another video to do.
Right.
Venturous scouts from Cardiff know how to rough it. They will take us on a 6-day journey down to the Kolo River, part of the Wollemi wilderness area.
Good morning. Come and join us for a 6-day trip into the Wollemi National Park.
Good morning.
Are you ready for this?
Been walking a lot further than we were supposed to because some person took us one ridge line too far to the south.
We took a 5-hour excursion, but everything's good now and everybody's got scratches all over them.
Always wear long trousers when you're bushwalking.
Amazing that we've found the track now.
Yeah, show me the right thing. You guys understand now?
Best side under the sea.
This is crazy. It's just so high up. It just looks amazing.
Holy.
And I'm still pretty high.
And how much light we got left?
Not much at all.
That looks really comfortable.
So I'm actually really comfortable right here.
We slept last night halfway down the cliff because we ran out of light to go further.
I like it because it's different. We don't get to do this very often.
Got a safety light on it.
I'm having fun.
We're finally off the cliff and down at the stream.
Better to be down at the water.
Don't waste that water. Tell me when you run out of water.
We're virtually a day behind and we've got to make up as much ground as we can and get as far as Lilo as we can before dusk. Okay, so you need to waterproof your pack, then get an airbed, put 6 eyelets near the front of the airbed to tie your pack onto it so it doesn't fall off when we're going down the route. You also need a piece of rope to hold on to, so if the current's strong, the airbed will just go down and you can hold on to the rope so you don't lose your airbed or your pack. You also need flippers so you can paddle in the still spots.
Are you ready for this?
I'm catching my airbed. Already? Already. Liam, you're going the wrong way. You gotta go this way. It's the lie down technique, and this is the Alex Brearley technique.
After waiting for half an hour after everyone went to bed, my sleeping bag was finally dry. Get in it, still pretty damp. My toes, freaking cold.
The B team, which are 4 members of our group, left us and are now sleeping at a different campsite. They will have to climb up, basically the way we came in. The rest of us are now continuing on, but are going to be a day late.
I want to keep going to see the end.
Well, why wouldn't I? It's a beautiful place and a great river and creeks and stuff. And the ending is great.
Very important to double bag or put your gear in wet bags when you're going on a Lilo trip.
Hey, Paul.
Absolutely. Especially when you get a wet sleeping bag out of a full day.
life to feel sun.
While the sun's up, we're going to try and get as much kilometres done as possible.
So we're still a day behind, but we've travelled 5 kilometres today and we're camping at the spot where we were meant to be last night.
The most important thing.
Fire.
The cameraman is shaking. So cold. Drawing noodles. They're all right.
Happy birthday, Cookie. Good morning, and it's day 4. We're waiting for everyone to wake up, and then we're heading off to No Name Creek. Oh.
Up it goes. Help!
What I do is I put my stuff in bags and then in my wet bag, so it is double waterproofed, I guess. Makes it more waterproof.
Has your gear been getting wet, Taz?
No.
No.
So it's day 4 and night 5. We've caught up a lot and we've gone past No Name Creek.
Not too bad. It's long. It's nice to have fire.
I'm not sharing anything with you guys tonight. I shared a lot last night.
It's a shame. I'm just about to bring out some Lollygobble Bliss popcorn. It's a shame you're not going to share.
Maybe I will have to share a bit now.
Chat.
do it.
We finally made it to Canoe Creek.
It is so amazing to be here right now. After all that long journey, so glad to be here at the finish line. Not done yet, but just about, so pretty excited.
We're at Canoe Creek after like 5 days of trekking down a hill and canoeing, wallowing down a river, so pretty pumped.
I'm a lot of fire to dry stuff out, ready for the hike out tomorrow.
It's good to be here. It's quicker to Lilo than walk.
How do you know?
Walking is a lot harder and my Lilo popped. I had to boulder hop with my hiking pack.
Thanks for coming, boys. Thank you for being here, Cookie.
I had a look before.
Just go 3 metres up and go right.
We're making pretty good pace so far. We've managed to go from the lookout to Bitted Drop in only 15 minutes. I would like to thank Cookie for carrying most of my things. A great father.
Lamb.
Like my pack. Eat these Fritos.
That's it, we've done it. Maybe we'll do it in a couple more years.
Maybe 5, or even maybe 10.
1, 2, 3.
That's it for this week. If it rains outside where you are, then just go outside and look around.